there.
Yeah.
Even though it
For
will
that,
not
I'm
help.
not worried. For that, I'm not worried. What Ananta is saying that, for that, this is known to me.
Okay.
And I will take a suitable control to ramp down my facility so that it will never see overpressure.
Okay.
I am worried there is all of a sudden there is something wrong, emergency. This is what our case is.
Okay.
In case something goes wrong, emergency, and we do not know.
Okay.
And my operator will not have time to ramp down.
Okay.
In that case, there is overpressure.
Okay.
Are you getting it? So
Yes.
I want to create a situation.
This pressure will have no issue unless there is a blockage in the pipeline in 3.3.
Okay, now you tell me, blockage, if happens for 1 meter, there is a sudden blockage. If it is 100 meter, 100 kilometer, the blockage will not create pressure. Are you getting it? Just assume it.
Okay.
If I have got 1 meter pipeline, I block it, I will see immediate pressure.
Yes.
And if I have got 100 kilometer, if I block it to make a pressure here, it will take half an hour.
No.
Liquid cell.
Liquids, it's second.
The GAN incompressible.
By the way, yeah, this is already studied in our flow assurance study, and we are talking about seconds, not minutes or hours.
Yeah.
Within seconds, the pressure is
Immediately go ahead.
I want to generate a scenario. What is the case?
Yes, I tell you. Now the case.
Both.
I tell you. Case. You are running with the 3.3. Fine. They have ramped down the production. Somewhere MP21, just down one wall or on wall of course.
Correct.
Upstream you are getting the pressure.
Yeah.
Then here in the Assam, they are going up to 93 bar, whatever. Where our pipeline is not designed for.
Yes. So, what should I write down here? I want to make an initiating event. What is the initiating event?
Initiating event is now
MOL 3.3
Okay.
is working alone, and then subjected to blockage. Okay, subjected to blockage.
We can say sudden blockage. We can say sudden blockage of the pipeline.
Okay.
When MOL 4.1 is not working.
Okay. Let me just explain something.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Just 30 seconds. If we are working on both pipeline together and there is a blockage, there is no issue.
Yeah.
Okay. The issue is that when we are working on only one pipeline, I'm caring about 3.3, but because this is my project.
Correct.
That's why if I'm working with 3.3 and there is a blockage due to any sudden closure of any valve along the system, even by the way, even upstream at Cook,
Okay.
it will be
So
the
can
initiating
you
event.
give me this initiating event in one line? What is the one line initiating event?
It's not one query here. Assume that now the both complaints are 4.1 and 3.3.
Okay.
3.3 trip in MP21.
Okay.
That case also our pipeline may see higher pressure.
Yes, 4.1 can see.
Okay.
Not only 4.1, even